So, hi,
Hi.
my name is Andrea. Here is Maria Paula and Valerie. We would like to ask you some questions. Could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Karen. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Mexico City.
Mhm.
Um,
Okay, so we are going to talk a little bit about your elementary school time. Did you cross or study the elementary school in Mexico, right?
yes,
Okay. Where did you study?
and the name of the school was Colegio Mexico,
Okay, and it was a private school?
a private school.
It was a private school, okay. So, do you remember how the interaction with your teachers were between the students and you?
I think that was a good interaction. We have rules, but from the teachers was very respectful. All the what's respectful? Because they respect us a lot. Because the parents had some power. Because they was pay the school. So if the teacher be a bad person, or if we don't be feel good of safety, we can tell of our parents, and our parents can intervene. And this could be oh, a bad result for the teachers.
Okay.
Okay.
So they respect a lot this part.
Okay.
Okay. So then the interaction was good, and you have mentioned that there was rules, specific rules. Do you think that rules were fair or were restrictive, or how do you think the rules were?
I think that it was fair.
Did you remember any rule that you had in that time?
Yes, for example, the time that we need to be in the school, we need to respect that because the school is Catholic.
Okay.
So before the classes, we need we
needed.
we needed to pray. So we need to respect the time
Okay.
to be there. So
Okay.
Okay, I would like to know like what form of discipline did you have in your school when you were growing up? Because you told us that I guess that maybe the punishment was not like practiced in your school. So we would like to know what kind of discipline they managed.
well, I think that it's a mix because the teachers have respectful about us, hear us, but at the same we have some punish.
Okay.
For example, some rules. For example, one that I remember is if in the class one person speak and the teacher say don't speak please and continue, they take out of the class and you needed to be outside of the classroom.
What? Sorry. What did they do
Outside.
outside? What was
Nothing.
it was? Oh, nothing.
Only,
They were.
only be there.
Stand up outside.
Stand up
So
outside.
no go to the principal, no go to
No.
somewhere else. Just
Only
standing
when was a situation, a special situation, they take up with the principal.
Okay.
Stand out of the office in the office of the principal.
Okay.
What kind of behavior could result in a visit to the principal?
Or maybe when someone talk incorrectly,
Okay,
so
bad
it's
words?
bad words to the teacher,
Okay.
and the teacher say one time, please don't say that,
Okay.
and the behavior continue,
Oh.
and the teacher say, go to the
Principal.
principal office and
Okay.
stand up outside the
Okay.
office.
And
Okay.
I'm just curious how often that happened. Like, students were unrespectful frequently with the teachers, or not so much?
No, but I think that was one or two children specifically.
Specific.
The person that always,
Always.
be out. Some another students, yes, have this current to be out of the class, but was rarely.
Charlie?
Very,
Uh-huh,
yeah.
rarely. In principal, there was one or two, the same children that always, and was a repetitive behavior. So,
Okay, and just I have one. I don't know. What happened with the visit to the principal? So they go to see the principal, and there was consequences for
Just
them,
to
or
stand
just
up.
to
Just to
Yes,
stand up
just
and talk
to
with him.
they,
just to talk with
the
the principal.
write your name in a list, because if you was more than 3 times in a list, you have a molestation. No? But then that he finished to write your name, just only say that you need to stand up outside,
Oh,
That's
okay.
fun.
and you need to wait to
The class is
until
over.
finish the
The
class.
Okay.
Have you ever been punished when you were in elementary school? No. And when you saw that the teachers punish another children, how do you feel about it?
Maybe I remember that in some case,
Uh-huh.
maybe I felt some scared
Mm-hmm.
because thought in this moment that I don't want to be in
Punished.
their place.
Okay.
So
Okay,
So you were a little
the
afraid.
last question will be like, what discipline changes have you noticed in today's school?
okay, I noticed a big difference.
Mm-hmm.
And compare, for example, the Mexican school than Canada school, there was different because in Mexican, I think that they don't practice a lot of autonomy.
Okay.
The teachers always say what you need to do, and you need to follow
What they say.
and we learn like robots because we memorize what we need to do. If you don't do that, is when you have a punishment.
Okay.
No? But
Do you think that happens even currently, even those days, even today?
no. This is when I was child.
Okay.
And this is what
go-
you think in Mexico.
Uh-huh.
In
In
Mexico.
Mexico, yes.
So
And
you
in
say in Mexico nowadays is
Yes, and I think that, for example, the punishment like stand up outside, no, stand up outside the principal. I think that actually we don't see frequently that action or that
Okay.
type of punishment. And for example, I can see that now the child are more autonomy. The childs are more free to talk, to express, and the types of punishment through the time have it changed and are different. I think that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your
Thank
time,
you,
Karen.
Karen.
Thank you.
That will be all for us. Thank you.
Thank you.
thank you.